So g'day Curd Nerds, welcome to day 2 of the Cheese a Day challenge. Today I'm going to be tasting a very generic sort of cheese. This is from our local supermarket, Woolworths here in Australia, and it's just labelled as Camembert. It doesn't say where it was made, who it was made by. It's 125 grams of cheese. I think it costs something like $3 tops. So I think it's one of those cheeses that if you've never had a Camembert before and don't know where to start, then this is a good place to start, because we'll see what it tastes like. So it's in silver foil, which is unusual for white mould cheeses. Normally it's a micro perforated wrap. It's got a nice mushroomy smell, which is good. A slight hint of ammonia, but not much. And cutting into the cheese, it's got a nice oozy paste. This has been brought up to room temperature. Always eat your cheeses at room temperature. And with white mould cheeses, always eat the rind as well. It just adds to the flavour of the cheese. So as far as smell goes, it smells mushroomy. That's about it at the moment. So let me just try it without the cracker. Very light on the salt, creamy. It coats the mouth, nice creamy mouthfeel. Buttery is another word I'd use for it. Quite nice. Very, very mild. No strong flavours there whatsoever. Yeah, buttery, mushroomy, and certainly it's got a certain sweetness as well to it. So this cheese would be perfect for somebody who has never tried a white mould cheese. Absolutely delightful. Great for baking as well. You could use this cheese to bake. So make a baked Camembert, cut the top off, put something in the inside, with all that gooiness, and bake the cheese as well. That would work really, really well. But yeah, as a nice mild white mould cheese, yeah, it'll go okay on the cheese platter. A little bit too mild for me compared to the Camembert style cheeses that I make myself. But it's a commercial, standard, generic, no-name Camembert. Origins unknown. Somewhere in Australia, I would think. Does it say it was... made in Australia. Yeah, there we go. Not much else as far as information goes. Yeah, all right, yeah. So ingredients: pasteurised cow's milk, salt, calcium chloride, cultures, and non-animal rennet, with a fat content of 28.3%. So very light on the fat, but yeah, certainly a nice creamy, buttery sort of cheese. For novice cheese tasters, I would think. Anyway, that was day 2 of the Cheese a Day challenge. So please join me tomorrow for a Meredith Dairy Sherv with dill. I'm very excited about that. I really like Meredith Dairy's cheeses. So hopefully this one will be equally as nice. But as I said, today was the generic no-name version of Camembert. In name only, I think. But anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. And if you want to check out a good Camembert recipe that you can make yourself, go and check out the info card or the end screen. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.